Mobilization of Tzu volunteers to Kaohsiung to bring comfort to those affected by the underground gas explosions. Volunteers have continued to gather at Sanxia, New Taipei City, to prepare construction materials for Tzu's prefabricated houses going to the Philippines to help Typhoon Haiyan survivors.
To help Typhoon Haiyan survivors in the Philippines, Tzu volunteers continue to toil away in preparing the materials to be used for prefabricated housing. Volunteering his service, Li Mingzhong is very familiar with the procedures and the tools of the trade as he owns an air conditioning factory. However, Li feels working together with a common goal in mind outweighs expertise in the long run.
Although we are all volunteers, I feel this factory is much more proficient than that of a factory that's been ISO certified.
Many volunteers in training from Yonghe are also here to lend a hand on the assembly line and learn what it means to walk the Tzu path.
Our prefab homes are heading to the Philippines. We have put our heart and soul into our work today. We are familiarizing ourselves with each step of the assembly process before we head to the Philippines.
Outside the building, a group of volunteers practice assembling the prefab housing despite the heat.
We are familiarizing ourselves with each step of the assembly process before we head to the Philippines.
With compassion in their hearts, volunteers are doing all they can to help those in the Philippines recover from the lingering effects of Typhoon Haiyan.